or moments while shooting
Oh man, masaya. When I mentioned the challenges, yun din yung joy. Mahirap, pero it's very fulfilling kasi nga, kita nyo naman, ang babait ng mga artista. There's no tension, there's no, walang pataasan ng ego, and the joy of just coming to set na gusto nilang lahat magtrabaho, they wanna stay, gusto nilang mapagod for the sake of giving justice to Project Loki. So yun yung, parang hindi kami nagtatrabaho.
Given the chance to actually play a role sa Project Loki, kung hindi ikaw yung naging director, ano yung gusto mo sana character?
Pwede bang iwan ko na lang sa viewers yan? Sa mga viewers mo, if they can comment kung sino sa mga hindi pa nila nakikita. Kasi meron pa tayong season 2 or the book 2 and 3. Sino ang babagayan ko na character? How are you?
Do you have other
Birthday?
Nung last week lang nag-birthday.
Do you have other Wattpad novels na gusto mo ring i-direct or to act in?
You know, I love all the, especially ngayon lang ako na i-expose sa mga readers, and itong Project Loki yung parang pinaka na-immerse talaga ako along with the fans and stuff. And I have yet to experience it. Lahat, why not? If they're willing to let me direct it, then
Na-curious lang kami si Ian doon sa sinabi mo kanina na medyo naiyak ka doon sa kwentuhan ninyo ni Dylan. What about it? Parang ganon.
okay.
Hindi naman sharing of what ang pinag-usapan niyo.
No.
About your career ba?
No,
About
definitely it's... Ako kasi lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila na ang sensibilities ko as a director, alam ko yung pinagdadaanan ninyo. Kasi artista ako nagsimula, and I've been giving this job to direct you guys. So don't be scared. Okay, yun yung parang doon naging emotional. Huwag kayong matakot to open yourself up. Kasi this is what I'm trying to build is a safe space para sa kanila. So yun, I think doon kasi nagsimula. Hindi ko na i-share kung ano yung paano pa heart to heart namin. But yun, I do heart to heart with everyone. Not just Dylan, with Jada, with even the characters of the minor characters, because I want them to learn. I really do. And gusto kong i-share yung mga things that I had to go through, yung mga balakid, in maintaining a career, not just the character. Parang alam na natin na magtatrabaho tayo here. So yung mai-share ko na lang sa kanila is, what it is, di ba? Nandun na, I've gone through the route. Ito na lang, I'm wishing them all the best. And trabaho ko yun to make them shine, each and every single one. Yun. So yun.
Yes, direct, mas gusto mo na ganito sa ngayon, yung status ng buhay mo.
Oo naman.
At peace, mas tahimik,
mas less intriga.
Because right now it's all about studies for me at the moment. I'm enrolled in CSB for music production. I'm also
CSB.
College of St. Denis.
Okay.
Yes. And I'm also in Top Flight Academy. I just currently finished my flight instructor exam. So I have a check ride this coming weekend. So yun, as a pilot as well. So it's such a fulfilling experience na magawa ang lahat ng yun. So hindi ko naman sinasabi, mas maganda to kesa dito, but it's just it's such a blessing to be able to experience life and push yourself even further. Kasi magagawa naman tulad nito.
But you tried, yun nga, sa plane, di ba, as a pilot, na-try mo yun, sa music, directing. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo?
Yun ang gusto ko.
As ano?
No, as a person who can do it all. Kasi I think, di ba, parang ang iksi lang ng buhay eh. And you want to be able to do whatever it is that you can. Mapa music, my course is music production. So, ibang-iba siya from everything else that I'm doing. It's not film, it's not,
But you still dream na sana makagawa ka, meron ka pang movie na gusto mo na ikaw ang arte?
Oo naman, oo
Ano
naman.
sana at kung sino yung gusto mo makasama?
It would be nice. Siguro yung kung sino, hindi naman ako, ever since
Okay,
I started, hindi naman ako yung, ito yung gusto ko makatrabaho. But in terms of genre, an action would be an action film para sa akin. Especially dito while doing Project Loki, lumalabas siya na parang lagyan natin to ng action game. Okay sa author, game tayo.
Pero nauso ngayon yung reunion project. Are you willing to be reunited reunion project with Kim soon if given a chance?
Any project would do. Wala naman pong diba parang we just wanna do our job, we just wanna be able to films.
May gagawin kang series, wala pa. Mas
Wala
more
pa.
on sa directing ka talaga muna ngayon.
Madami pa kaming days dito sa Project Loki. Like, madami pa. Couple of months pa. And pursuing this career in aviation at the same time and getting my degree. Medyo sagat-sagat na rin.
Marami na rin mga artist that you want na maging director ka. Sino yung mga gusto mong i-direct pa na artist na in mind?
Gosh.
Especially you're on Viva now, di ba?
I'm a huge fan of Ian Veneracion. Ever since my first Cinemalaya film, till lagi kaming nag-usap and but I'm a huge fan of him. Sinabi ko naman sa kanya.
Ano gusto mo siya i-direct?
Yeah,
Sa female naman po. If you want
female. Sino ba? Ann Curtis, Sarah Geronimo would be
willing to direct Kim also if given a
Of
chance.
course, ako naman.
She's a great actress.
Miss Claudine Barreto, they're all because you learn, hindi naman you learn from them.
How do you handle now mga bashing?
Wala.
Paano na?
Tahimik na buhay.
Hindi ka na
Tahimik na buhay.
hindi ka na naapektuhan.
Tahimik na buhay.
Basta tahimik mo.
Thank you, Sia.
Pinapatahimik na rin ako. Okay.
Thank you, Si.